Hey everyone, so now we're going to have a look at what mouse features there are when using SketchUp. We're going to look at left click, right click, the mouse wheel or the scroll button, double clicking the mouse wheel, holding down the mouse wheel and the shift key, holding down the mouse wheel and double clicking the left button. Alright, so first up we've got left clicking. Now if you left click on something, it'll select that one thing. Left clicking will either select either an edge or a surface. It'll also load all of these tools. It'll also expand your windows in your tray on the right hand side. Next up we've got right clicking. So as you right click on an edge, you'll see a shortcut menu. If you right click on a surface, you might see a different menu. Right click on a group or a component, you'll see different menus. Right click up at the top in your toolbars, so all menus come up when you right click. When you roll your mouse wheel forwards and backwards, you will zoom in and out. Also notice that you will zoom in and out where your cursor is, so this will be your focus point of the zooming in and out. When I double click the mouse wheel, it puts this part of the drawing in the center of my viewing window. So if I double click on the box, it puts that in the center of my viewing window. Same with the circle. Double click on the mouse wheel, puts it in the center. Now when I hold down the mouse wheel and the shift key on my keyboard, I'm allowed to pan the drawing over. So pressing down on the shift key on my keyboard and holding down the scroll button or the mouse wheel. By holding down only the mouse wheel or the scroll button will allow you to orbit, so this will allow you to get into your 3D viewing. And finally, if you double click on the left mouse button, it activates a group or a component for editing. Single clicking will deactivate the group or the component. The last thing I want to show in this video is just sometimes some users do struggle remembering these mouse feature shortcuts. So I just want to bring your attention to the camera toolbar, where you can also left click and then use your left click mouse button to say orbit or potentially pan. What's very nice about this tool is also the zoom button. You'll notice if I use my scroll button on my mouse wheel to zoom, it zooms in different sort of fractions. If I use this tool and I hold down the left mouse button, it's a much smoother zoom. So I could also use these tools instead of my quick shortcut mouse features. Great, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.